4 Muscle Recovery Smoothies Post-Workout. Number 1. Chocolate Dream Smoothie. Your post-workout smoothie should offer you both protein and carbohydrates. We should be drinking this smoothie during the 30 minutes following our workout for optimal absorption. Chocolate Dream Smoothie tastes like dessert, but offers the protein and carbohydrates your body needs. Plus, the kick from the cinnamon provides more than flavor, it brings you a high source of antioxidants, as well anti-inflammatory properties, that your body will crave post-workout. Ingredients: 1 cup coconut milk, 1 serving protein powder, pinch of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon unsalted almond butter, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, pinch of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon coconut butter, 1 large date. Number 2. Zucchini Bread Smoothie. It blends walnuts and almond milk for a protein boost instead. If you enjoy zucchini bread, this smoothie is for you. It's zucchini bread in a glass. Any opportunity to add veggies to a post-workout smoothie comes with benefits. Vegetables are packed with water, which is great for rehydration, along with antioxidants. The banana provides carbohydrates, which will help to refill carbohydrate stores, also known as glycogen, in the muscles and liver. For easy preparation, you can chop, steam, and freeze zucchini in advance. That way, when you get home from the gym, you can just blend and enjoy. Ingredients: 1 small banana, frozen, a half cup zucchini, chopped, steamed, and frozen, 1 cup baby spinach, 1 tablespoon walnuts, chopped, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, a half teaspoon orange zest, 1 cup unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Number 3. Sunshine Smoothie. If you prefer something refreshing after you exercise, you'll love this citrus-packed Sunshine Smoothie. Sunshine Smoothie for post-workout recovery. It has a healthy mix of carbs from the fruit and protein from the Greek yogurt, and these two macronutrients together are ideal for recovery. Your body needs carbs after a workout to replenish glycogen stores, stored carbs that were used up during exercise, and protein to help muscles recover. The mango and clementine in the smoothie provide antioxidants that help with post-workout inflammation. Ingredients: 1 clementine peeled, a half cup frozen mango, a half small banana, 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 2%, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1/4 cup low-fat milk, 1 tablespoon unsweetened coconut flakes. Number 4. Chocolate Berry Protein Smoothie. After any strength session, protein is a must to help your muscles recover. Within 30 minutes to 2 hours after a workout, it's a good idea to eat a combination of protein and carbs. Especially after a harder workout, your muscles will take in larger amounts of protein and carbs. Your muscles use the protein to both repair themselves and to build strength. Ingredients: a half cup frozen strawberries, a half cup frozen wild blueberries, a half cup frozen sliced banana, 3/4 cup 2% fat plain Greek yogurt, 1½ tablespoons almond butter, 1½ teaspoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup water. Thanks for watching.